in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some Redbubble shops that were submitted by you guys to help those that submitted them, as well as to help you guys watching this video to improve your shops. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shop. So if you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any upcoming videos. We've actually helped a lot of people to get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you want extra information, I do happen to have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description, alongside a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. Now, before we jump into it, if you're interested in getting your own shop reviewed, there's a link down in the description where you can actually submit your shop for a potential future review like this one. We've got some high quality shops on the ready today with a lot of designs, and with that said, let's jump straight into it. First shop we have today is this shop called Doggy Delight. The art on it in terms of the banner, the logo, looks very professional. Whoever put this together did a great job there. They've got collections, no featured collection, which is something they could definitely add in there. Design wise, I'm seeing 391 designs, which is really good to see. They have 107 favorites at the moment, which means people are finding the shop here and there. And I've got an idea of how many sales this shop has, but for the designs they have, for the quality they have, I feel that this shop should be performing a lot better than it already is doing. Now, I like what they do in regards of the designs. The designs look to stand out fairly well. One thing that you need to do if you're creating a niche based store such as this one is to see if there's ever any way you can link it to current trends that can potentially become evergreen. I like what they've done with this design here that says back to school dog, or back to dog school even, and this is something that could have fallen in line with the back to school niche, so it's good to see they kind of try to jump onto that. And I feel like they need to be doing more of this kind of thing if they want to increase their sales and get to the point where they deserve to get to. Another thing I'm not seeing a lot of in this shop is sticker packs. Making dog based sticker packs is something that will potentially allow them to stand out over their competition, and that's something they definitely need to add into this shop, as I'm not seeing too much of that. I'm gonna click on one of these designs just to see how they go about titling everything. So it's been titled Pug Dad, Best Pug Dad Ever. In terms of the keywords, I'll say they've done a good choice in regards of what they've put in the title. What is it available on? Only 57 products. They definitely need to make sure that they're activating everything, because that does increase the chances of getting more sales. It's been proven, as a lot of people that watch my videos are always telling me since they did that, they've started actually getting an increase in sales. In terms of what they've done with the tags, I would say they've done a good job there. They've not pretty much spammed the same thing over and over again to create long tags, so they've done a good job there, which is good to see. And going into the description, they've added similar to what it says in the title. And one thing I always say, if you're in a certain niche, it's always good to search it up to see if anything pops up trending. So nothing's trending under pug, anything trending under dog. So we've got a few things trending under dog. I would always see if there's a way you can implement those certain keywords into your tags as well, especially if you have a dog niche based shop like this one. I mean, besides that, they're doing a great job with the shop. They need to keep doing what they're doing. It's just a matter of adding things in like sticker packs, you know, finding a way to link this dog niche to trends that are coming out, and making sure that they're making the most of keywords used in the titles, descriptions and tags. Next up, we have this shop here called Flambeau Shop 2. In the banner it says all about gaming, and I take it this is a gaming related shop. So they've got featured collection, they've got more collections. Before I get to talking about the elephant in the room, I'm just going to quickly scroll through the shop so I can see there's a lot going on. 254 favorites, 345 designs. They've definitely put in a lot of work into uploading things. Now, as for the elephant in the room, the designs are based on a game that is trademarked. For those that don't know how to trademark check, they've got designs in relation to The Last of Us. So if I highlight that quickly, put it in trademark here and search, it will show that The Last of Us is something that's trademarked. Now, the main reason I'm pointing it out to this person is because I know the person that are committed to putting in a lot of work into something. I just don't want them to be putting in a lot of work on something that could potentially get taken down. So all these sort of designs are designs that will eventually get found, taken down, and it could lead to the whole shop getting taken down. If I was this person, I would look to, you know, taking down some of these designs, or even creating a new shop where you know that, you know, it will be everlasting without risk of things getting taken down. Because anything game related, for the most part, like what I'm seeing on the shop, is trademarked. So you definitely want to be careful with that change up. I mean, I'm going to go into one of the collections, and from what I can see in this collection, that these designs are more general. They're not linked to a specific game. I would advise them to try to do more of this and see if there's anything linked to gaming that's currently trending at the moment. So if you just put game, you can see there's a few things that are trending, and you'd want to look into this into these kind of keywords, niches, to see if there's anything there. So I'm going to click on this just to see how they've titled it. So retro machines for video games, gaming tool for gamer. Once again, like I showed you before, if you go on the search, look to see what's trending in regards of gaming and games, and then see if you can add that in your title as well as your tags, which I can see there's quite a few tags there. Redbubble always recommends, like I always say, 15 tags, so it's good to try to work within that. They've got a description there that looks fairly okay. I'm not being showed how many products they actually have activated, so this is definitely something they need to look towards improving, just to make sure that the shop doesn't get taken down in the future. Next up, we have this shop here called Andy Noel, and the banner looks great, logo looks great as well. Scrolling down, I can see that we've got a featured collection there. We've got more collections just below there. And as we go through the designs, they're very colorful, they're very bright, which is always good to see. And these look like things this person has made from scratch. I'm seeing 65 favorites. I'm guessing they're not getting as many sales as they would like. In fact, I don't even have to guess. I have an idea of roughly how many sales they're getting through what they've submitted. But all I can say for this kind of store is look towards pushing towards sticker packs a little bit more, mainly because sticker packs will allow this kind of store to flourish even more than it might be doing already at the moment. Stuff like this is what I should be seeing a lot of on this shop. This design here says make him known. Not too sure what this is in relation to, but just looking into it, only 57 products activated, so definitely more need to be activated there. Right, this looks like it's in the Christian niche, and in terms of the keywords and the tags, I'd say they've done a good job there. And looking at the description, same as the title, so you know, some keywords there, so they've done a good job there. If you want to be in, you know, the Christian niche, like I keep saying, search to see if there's anything in the Christian niche that might be trending, and then look to see if there's any way you can link it to any of your designs. Like as you can see here, I've typed in Jesus, a few things pop up, and you want to go into these niches, research what other keywords people are using, and see if you can link them to what you're already doing to improve your own store. Besides that, I like the look of the store, you know, it's very bright, colorful. In terms of designs, 90 designs, so you want to keep pushing. You want to get to at least 100 designs before you fully proper start analyzing. But I like the effort that's been going into this shop, and I feel like it can go a very long way. Next up, we've got this shop here by Peter, and in the banner it says designs for every season. A very colorful banner, and I'm guessing just a picture of Peter there. We've got a featured collection with sticker packs, which is lovely to see. This kind of stuff's that candy to my eyes. Got more collections just below, which is also great. And looking at this shop, there's a lot going on in regard of designs. I mean, 726 designs is not a low amount of designs. And looking at the favorites, Peter has 433 favorites, which means people for the most part are finding Peter's shop. What this design here, so the design at the top, it says organically grown, nice and simple, nothing too complicated, and this could be a design on Peter's store that's doing very well. One thing Peter needs to be doing is making sure that he's creating alternative designs to things that are working. So let's say if this is working, maybe make a black text on white version of this design, if that makes sense. Doesn't have all the products activated, which is a big no-no. Do your best to activate everything if you can, especially when you have over 700 designs. That will definitely come into play. I mean, doing a good job in regards of the tags there, I can't lie. It's a matter of just keeping that up, but making sure you're creating more of what's working, and with the sticker packs, making sure that they're linked to things that people are actually searching for. And next up, we have this shop here. It is called FnStuff, coming in with 131 designs with a fairly cool looking banner logo. Nothing too complicated, but definitely doing the job there. They got a featured sticker packs collection with some Halloween based designs from what I can see there. I've got some more collections just below, and yeah, a lot of stickers on the shop. People usually don't, rate stickers as much as they should do, but they're the best selling product on Redbubble, as I always say, so you guys need to pay more attention to them. We've got 61 favorites from what I can see there, which is always good to see, and scaled designs, which is also great to see. And I'm interested in seeing what they've done in regards of some of these sticker packs there, just to help them get found by more people. So the title, they've put Halloween sticker pack, pumpkin, witch, ghost, cat, bat. So they've pretty much stuffed it with keywords. I mean, I can't hate on that, because that kind of stuff in terms of the title works. Just try and make it a little bit more readable for people that might actually be looking for things linked to this. Product wise, everything's activated, which is great to see. Keywords in the description as well. Oh, okay, so this is where there may be a little bit of a problem. The tags, yes, they've got some keywords in there, but they need to use keywords that people are actually looking for. And just from first glance, I can tell that they've not really searched to see what people are looking for under Halloween, for example, to add to their tags. And just from typing that in, as you can see, a few things have popped up here that could easily be added into the tags to make this sticker pack easier to find for the majority of people. So that's something that I feel they need to do more of in terms of building up the shop. There's a lot of designs in the shop, so they're doing good on that aspect. It's just a matter of keeping it going. A lot of great shops in today's episode. Remember, if you want to submit, you can do it down below. Spoke about tags quite a lot in this video, so if you want more information about that, check out this video there. Comment down, activate everything if you've made it to this point. And always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.